Hey guys, Brian here with an installment of how to make an easy job hard. I'm kind of an expert at that. Seems that everything I get into ends up being more of a job than it should. So, as you remember, my pickup truck here, this old Dodge crew cab, blew a radiator hose. So rather than put a new radiator hose on it, I decided to go ahead and do what I've been planning on doing for a long time, which is a Cummins conversion. Because who wants a 360 gasoline motor anyway? All that thing does is just drink gas and not even produce any power. It just pretty much uses gas. So there it is. Dodge Ram Cummins turbo diesel, intercooled, which it is. Went ahead and put the later model core support for these first gen trucks in here, which is why we now have the 92.3 grill on the front. Trying to knock off one junkyard gimme. While I was at the process of this particular engine, the truck it came out of had air conditioning. I had a parts truck that had air conditioning. This truck did not have air conditioning. When we got into doing the swap, there was several wiring harness changes. I wanted everything on here, the heaters and the water and fuel indicator, and I wanted all that stuff to all work like it's supposed to. So I was going to put the diesel harness on here. I thought the electrical connector was the same. It turns out it's not. These trucks have a 50-pin harness. The 84 had a 30-pin harness. As you saw from one of my other videos, I had to remake the clutch bracket inside the cab in order to get it to clear the factory position for the electrical connector. Other than that, pretty much everything, a lot of drilling and wiring. So anyway, since I was going to have to change all the wiring in order to make that work, and it turns out you got to change the wires to make the wiper motor work. You got to change the wires to make the blower motor work, because in their infinite wisdom, they couldn't use the same connectors on anything from year to year. They had to change them all the time so that nothing would hook up or interchange. I guess that way you can't go to a junkyard and get any parts that'll work. Every one is a one-off, one-of-a-kind piece, apparently. That's why Dodge used to have the slogan different. They really meant it. Every one was, apparently. So, got my new wiper motor swapped over. Got my air conditioner core put in, which meant taking the whole dash out. So while I had the dash out, I went ahead and put the sound insulation in that was in these 89, 90 trucks. So that's what this big black pad here is. Some sound deadening material, so you don't have to listen to the motor all the time. So we've got the dash in here, which for those of you that are Dodge aficionados will notice that is a 91.5 up dash with the 100-mile-an-hour speedometer. This truck's gonna have 307 gears when I swap the rear ends, so it'll easily be capable of that. Hoping to be able to cruise 75 miles an hour, about 1800 RPMs. So we've got the right dash in here, Cummins turbo diesel. Went ahead and fixed the radio while I was working on this project. I haven't yet put the glove box back in. Had some vacuum issues. I just got them fixed today, so I haven't put it back. I'm probably gonna put some more sound deadening stuff up in there, but got the transmission hole in the floorboard cut. Got to put the floor mat back in, get some more sound deadening. Still got to put the exhaust on, but we do have functional air conditioning. Got all the gauges working. The odometer doesn't read. You're gonna have to put a set of gears in the odo. when I do that, I'll correct the miles to the miles that are on the truck instead of the miles that are on the engine. It's only got 318,000. I think it'll be alright. So, other than that, good straight old truck. Let's fire it up. See if this thing will start. Yep, I think it's okay. There we are. Everything's working. Let's turn on the lights. Check the hazards. Working. High beam indicator, low beam. Wipers. Oh, we added intermittent wipers too while we're at it. Well, looks like the dog wants to go for a ride. What do you think, Bailey? You ready to go for a ride? Now I guess we just will. Okay, so here we are, test drive. Definitely needs an exhaust. It's plenty loud. I'm not a big fan of the loud pipe. Oh, there's Big Brown. We'll do a quick run through the gears, show y'all how not to run a stock truck. on the road again.